What if you sneezed at the speed of light? You're sitting in your room, scrolling your phone, when suddenly, it hits. That tickle in your nose. You squint. Your breathing halts. Your chest tightens. You know it's coming. But this time, it's not just a sneeze. You sneeze at the speed of light. The moment your body contracts and unleashes that ancient biological reflex, reality itself seems to rupture. There's no sound. There's no wind. Just an explosion of white, like every atom in front of you was pushed aside in a nanosecond. You don't see the light beam. You are the light beam. Your sneeze leaves your nose at 299,792,458 meters per second. That's the speed limit of the universe. Light speed. Something no human has ever achieved. Something not even our best rockets can do. And yet, your sinuses just broke physics. The first problem? You've just violated the most sacred rule of relativity. According to Einstein, nothing with mass can accelerate to the speed of light. But your sneeze? It didn't care. It just went for it. In that instant, time warps. Clocks outside your path tick slower. Distances contract. To anyone watching, your sneeze stretches through space like a glowing ribbon. But to you, inside the beam, it all happens at once. You smash through your bedroom wall, but you don't crash through it. The energy your sneeze carries is so immense, it vaporizes molecules in its path. You don't leave a hole, you leave a tunnel of ionized air and melting furniture. The air doesn't even have time to get out of the way. It just surrenders. Outside, birds scatter in a confused puff, unaware of what just happened. By the time the noise of your sneeze starts to reach them, you're already past the city limits. You've become the sneeze. Your particles fused with its energy, your soul surfing on a tsunami of photons. Within 1 second, you're orbiting the planet. Within 1.3 seconds, you've reached the moon. Faster than any spacecraft ever could. But here's the thing. Lightspeed travel has no brakes. Your sneeze doesn't slow down. It doesn't stop to admire the view. It keeps going. Mars flashes by. Jupiter is a blink. Saturn's rings are a sparkle in your periphery. After 8 minutes, you pass the sun. You don't feel warmth. Lightspeed travel doesn't allow for sensation. You are thought, memory, and sneeze. An hour in, you're out of the solar system. Voyager 1, our farthest probe, is a speck in your dust trail. You wonder if your atoms will ever come back together, or if your sneeze has become something else. Pure energy flying forever through the cosmos. Maybe one day, millions of years from now, someone on another planet will see a faint streak of light across their sky. They'll write it down. They'll tell stories about it. Legends of a ghost sneeze from a blue world far away. And back on Earth, your room is silent. The wall is gone. The house shivers. And your cat sitting on the windowsill sneezes too. Uh-oh.